This is episode 47 of Daily Flip. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm outside actually because our AC is out here at the dealership, which is no fun, especially when it's like 94 degrees. So I've been spending a lot of time outside today doing little odds and ends things, running errands. Actually didn't come in today until maybe 1 o'clock or so. I got in really late last night. Went and visited my mom across the state, surprised her. So went out to eat and I was there, she got there, surprised her. That was a lot of fun, but got in really late. So I slept in this morning, went to lunch with my wife and kids and just kind of hung out a little bit and then came in, discovered the AC was not working. Actually, I'll show you. If anyone out there is an AC repair person that knows what this would mean, my unit here, let's zoom in, just has nothing, it's blank. This is supposed to have the temperature inside. I put batteries in it here, if you know what you're looking at, and this comes on, but it won't do anything, so I don't know what that means. And I'm waiting on an AC repair guy actually to come by, hopefully here in just a minute. The dealership beside us, their AC went out at the same time, so I think they're having a slightly different issue, but we'll see. So there's that. Also, we got some stuff planted this past weekend. There's some nice looking plants going on here, so that's snazzy. Also today, actually maybe 3-4 o'clock, we sent out an email. It should say the car flip roadmap, my exact process, I think is what it says. If you have not checked your email, be sure to do so, because in that there's a 23-minute video that's going to walk you through what I'm calling the car flip roadmap. That's going to be my exact car flipping process. I'm really excited about this. This is something I get asked about a lot. How do you do it? What's involved? You know, what do you do first? Do you do this or do you do that? I put this together so hopefully it can answer all those questions maybe before you even have them. It's absolutely free, so if you go check your email, if you're part of the email list, it will be there in your inbox. If you're not subscribed, I'm trying to think how to get this to you. If you'll go to thecarflip.com, there is a box that says learn more, or there's even a place to put your email address in. If you'll put your email address in there, you're gonna get a thank you email from me. If you will respond to that email and say, send me the roadmap, I'll make sure that gets to you as soon as possible. We'll do that for the next week or so. So if you're watching this and it's 3 years from now and you send that email, I might not get to it, but for the next week or so, I will definitely get that roadmap to you. If you're not subscribed, there's gonna be another email go out this coming Friday. That's gonna walk you through what it was like when I actually got started, my first flip, which actually wasn't a car. And trying to think, a few other things that I mentioned in there, but how I got started, how I got from knowing nothing to flipping cars today full time. So that's another email that's gonna go out Friday. As far as what's been going on here business-wise, we have a potential buyer interested in our Navigator here. I thought we had our Escape sold today, but unfortunately that deal fell apart. Hate when that happens, especially when I did all the work that I did from a finance standpoint to get the person approved, but the numbers weren't working out for them, so what are you gonna do? Otherwise, I need to relist everything to hopefully get some more interest. Tomorrow, we're hopefully gonna finish our engine on the Wrangler inside. I got a few small repair type things, and otherwise that's really about it. So just a half day today, wasn't doing too much. It's good I didn't come in early anyway because our AC was out. So hopefully it's cooler tomorrow. It's supposed to rain, which is good for our building because it's metal. It'll cool down the metal and keep us cool. Hopefully the AC guy can fix that. Otherwise, definitely check your email, check out that roadmap, let me know what you think. And if you have any questions about that, let me know. Justin@thecarflip.com. Otherwise, keep an eye out for that email coming up this Friday. And I will see you guys tomorrow.